Baby no. Don't say my pets.
Mapenzi?
Mama ni madams. Apeli no.
But baby nyine mtaji nokutengera mapenzi sha. Chimwe pregnant sha tukuda mwana sha.
Ai.
Mumzo wangu nizuruwa indivunza kuti kwa ufa takuda muzukuru kasha. Pana kutungura mbavi kutenga mapenzi chali chitakarora nasha.
But then we spoke about this. We said we were going to get married and then to have a tighter happy too.
Yes,
and then after 2 years.
But the first thing when ukarona nachi mwana. Soma kana takugara atakuta ndisinga zvarika.
Did we not agree on 2 years first?
2 years agree.
Did we not agree?
Chinzwa kana ndakupiwa.
Answer the question.
We agreed.
No, but is it 2 years
my
yet?
family kwa ndakupiwa pressure na family
yangu.
Oh,
so now you are prioritizing your family over me.
No, it's not like that. It's not like that. Sha momzo wangu wa indivunza takuda muzukuru. Vakatonduza the first thing mwana wangu kana mkarora mwana. Saka manje kana maugara 2 years ndi.
Azviiti. Yako yekuti kana una momzo wako munenge muchitaura nezvinga.
But uningashindudza life. Kana takungogara so tangwita kuita ngwana usingazwa.
Why are you putting them by my affairs edu? Is it not this not our thing?
But ingava reason yo yekuti anzi tombofara for 2 years.
2 years. Mira.
2 years tisina mwana.
Is that not what we agreed on?
Ushingofika mapedzi 2 years.
Yes.
Oh no, wasati wanditawesha. Listen jamari.
Mira, you're supposed to be straightforward with me. Kuti inini soon as we get married you did not say that. Did you tell me that?
But you told the first thing kuti kana tikarora na mwana first. At least tikata mwana wani.
Shaz.
Baby, wautongoti.
I'm getting pressure from my family. Usanditi baby. Zvinzvanyu zvemafamily izvi. Why are you putting them in our affairs?
But it's
iwe mama vako havana vame vazukuru here.
But they want my child ka.
Now.
Yes,
if they want your own child now, they should give you that child. Siyana nini Shaz?
So you are simply saying utosulota mwana wangu.
Tutawirirana 2 years. Zvese ndipete izvi.
Sabo usudonditira mwana here ndozodweza tawa. I know it's fine. But the chinju changosara ndi vachakudzosera musha kwenyu. Because you cannot stay nemunhu asiri kuda kutiitira mwana isusu. What was the reason right yekuroora? It's okay, it's fine.